Welcome to the Paige family homestead. Just a quick soup and cheese tea biscuit meal, Aunt Penny's recipe, and dehydrated vegetables with leeks, dehydrated potatoes, dehydrated onion, that beautiful ham bone that we boiled down in the broth. Alright, so this week Andy bought a beautiful smoked ham, and we just boiled the bone down, and look at this. Look how beautiful that is. I'm not taking all the fat off. I'm going to take the majority of it off for what I'm wanting to do. So I'll get that all off and put into my scrap dish. Look at the bone, cooked beautifully. I'm going to cut off all the meat, transfer it to the pot, see about making, I don't know if I'm going to go a split pea or if I'm doing potato and leek with our dehydrated leeks. Let's wait and see. Come on in. Hashtag Let's Dehydrate, an open collaboration for all channels. Put it in your description at the end of your title. Let us know. We'll gladly enter your video into this growing playlist. Okay, so the vote went to potato, leek, ham, vegetable soup. So what we're doing is I'm just going to go through my dehydrated stores. This is the potato. I did cut a fresh carrot, half a carrot, chopped into tiny soup type pieces. And this is the dehydrated potato. It's cut for scallop potatoes. I want them a little smaller. So I'm just crumbling them up. I figure I'm probably going to use maybe half a quart. And then what I also have here is my dehydrated lovage, aka Meggie. So it's from the celery family. So I'm going to go half and half with that. And let me see here. Just going to pull out a little handful. I love this stuff, so it can't taste it enough. And crumble it up. There we go. And like I said, it is in the celery family. It tastes a little like celery, but it tastes like a pimped up celery. Here's celery. It's boring. Compared to lovage, it's boring. Okay, so I'm just going to stir this up, and I'm going to leave it while I go and finish the potatoes coming in and get some seasoning and bring you back. Oh, we do have one more little addition. I got to go find my others, but here's my left of my 2019 leeks from the garden. They're going in. A small handful of dehydrated onion flakes going in. Okay, so what we're going to put in for seasoning is, of course, garlic powder. And I love putting dill in everything, so just a little. And because it's smoked ham, I just want to add to it a wee bit. I'm not putting a lot of this. Is this the one I haven't opened yet? Yes, of course. There we go. Just a little flavor, right? Now, I'm going to add just a few, because I do feel it, but this much doesn't seem to kill me. Maybe a little less of chili peppers. Andy loves them. Okay, so we got celery, we got lovage, we got dill, we got garlic, we got chili peppers, we have smoked paprika, and I think that'll do fine. I'm not going to add any salt until just before serving to see if it even needs it, or maybe we will choose to salt our own in our bowls. So I'm going to leave this down on low, put the lid on, and go about my day while supper makes for us. Well, the soup is ready, so while that was finishing up, I made him some of Aunt Penny's tea biscuits, and Andy loves cheese, so I threw the cheese on top. He's got his bowl ready. Look at this soup, guys. The lighting sucks. I can't wait till one day I don't say that. Look at the ham. Look at the fresh veg was the carrot. And I believe all the rest, the leeks, the potatoes, the celery, the lovage. What else did we put in there? I'll have to recap. I believe it was all dehydrated and then with some seasonings. Let's get this soup and tea biscuit to the king.
Okay, I've been brought here today to taste this. Again, oh, I hate this job. No, I don't. So we have a ham bone soup, right?
Ham bone
soup.
The only fresh veg, I believe, was the carrot. Oh, dehydrated onion was added in there, too.
Dehydrated onion?
Yeah, that's the one I couldn't think of. And potatoes, dehydrated.
It looks very hot. Oh.
Is it hot?
Oh, it's good. Beautiful.
Good flavors, eh? I put a little bit of smoked paprika, even though the ham bone and the ham had been smoked. But it's not overbearing, is it?
You had smoked paprika?
Yes. But it's not overbearing,
No,
is
it's
it?
Not.
How's the potatoes? Can you tell they're dehydrated?
They're fresh. They taste good.
And the onion?
And the onion's good, too. Very hot.
It's a nice hearty soup,
Nice
isn't
ham.
it? Doesn't that ham just melt in your mouth?
Hot. But it's good. Oh, it's good ham, yeah.
Now, what about Aunt Penny's tea biscuits?
Oh, looky. These are my favorite in the world. And you?
Only when there's cheese, right?
Yeah. They gotta be a cheese Mick. Tea biscuit.
Zooming in on you.
Alright.
Oh, that's why you've got spots on the table everywhere where you don't put it on your plate to do it. Okay.
And man, hear me roar.
Oh, I love you.
Back in the cave day, we used rock. Looks good. I'll tell you how this cheese bun tastes.
It's not a bun. Tea biscuit.
Really good.
That'll go good with your soup. Your tasting is done, hon.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna eat this in a minute. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget that notification bell right here. Ding, 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 ding. And we'll see you next video.
Good, eh?
Very good.
Nom.
Very hearty soup.
It is.